Hey guys, what's up? My name is Mikko, this is Project Boxy, and today we are going to cook rice noodle pancakes with homemade chili sauce. It's gonna be good. This vegetarian-friendly recipe works very well as breakfast, as brunch. It's packed with flavor and fresh ingredients. Let's take a look what we got here. For the chili sauce, we have 2 chilies, 3 cloves of garlic, sugar, vinegar, I use red wine vinegar, and water. And we are going to blend everything later in this thing here. And then for the pancakes itself, we have 1 carrot, which I've already shredded, 2 eggs, rice noodles, spring onion, sesame oil, and grated ginger. All the ingredients and recipe will be found in the description below. Okay, let's start with the chili sauce. So we put all the ingredients in the blender. You could deseed the chilies if you don't like that much heat. I'll just cut the chilies roughly. Going in. Then the garlic cloves. In. I forgot to mention there is a little bit of salt in here. You can't see, but it goes in. The red wine vinegar goes in. Sugar. And finally the water. We close the lid and then we mix. Alright, there we have it. And then we will finish it up on a hot stove in a pan. So we put the pan on medium heat and put the sauce in. We bring the mix in a boil, reduce the heat and leave it simmering. And now while the sauce is boiling, we can prepare the other ingredients. So let's take a cutting board and cut the green onions. And here we have green onions cut nice and fine. Then let's prepare the noodles. We boil some water. We put the noodles in a bowl. Now we add in the boiling water and let it rest for about 10 minutes. Now in the meanwhile, let's go and see our sauce. It's still boiling nice. Now what we want to do is to get the consistency a little bit thicker, so we add a little bit of cornstarch or flour. And as you can see, it immediately starts thickening. Now we leave the sauce here in really low heat. Now let's beat the 2 eggs we got here. Like so. Then drain the noodles. Put them back in. And use scissors to cut them in smaller pieces. Then add in rest of the ingredients. The eggs, sesame oil, spring onions, ginger, and carrot. Then just mix it well. Already now I can smell all the Asian flavors coming. The ginger, the sesame oil. This is gonna be good. Okay then, let's start making the pancakes. So you put a pan on medium heat. You put some oil in. And then you start forming the pancakes. Then after a couple of minutes or so, you need to start planning how to flip them. So you go carefully under the pancake and give it a flip, like this. Beautiful. And when you think your pancake is ready, you can move it here. And then we can put in the next batch. Little oil, the pancake mixture, and again after a few minutes, flip time. Garnish with some extra spring onions. And look at this. Here you got the pancakes and the chili sauce ready for taste test. Okay, here we are. This was actually a really fun cook. The kitchen smells like proper Asian kitchen. The ginger, the chili, the garlic, all the good stuff. I'm also really happy how the pancakes came up. Looking good, so now there is only one thing left to do, the taste test. So let's take one of the pancakes, dip it in the sauce, and here we go. Wow. This is so good. The freshness of the pancakes, all the fresh ingredients, the heat and the sweetness of the chili sauce, they play very well together. The flavors are just incredible. Alright, this is it for today. So please subscribe if you haven't already. Check out my other videos, there will be more. Give me a thumbs up if you liked the video. Share, comment and enjoy. See you later.